Children, here are some books. You have to classify them by subject. That is, all the English books will be kept with Arslan, all the Hindi books with Amaira, and all the maths books with Inaya. Do it fast, and let the other books be over there only. English with Arslan, Hindi with Amaira, and maths with Inaya. No EVS, not any other book, only English, Hindi, maths. Hindi books with Amaira, good. Okay. English, maths, Hindi, all done. Now which books are left behind? Keep them in the center of the table. The books which are left behind, put them again over there in the center. Center. Here. हाँ, जहाँ से पहले उठाया था वहाँ. हाँ. Okay. Now English books were with Arslan. Arslan, keep your English books with you. These are the English books.
Yes.
Then one more English book is here. See, this is also English book. Okay. Now put these books here again. Maths books with Inaya. Inaya, keep your maths books with you. Okay. Now all the other books you have to keep in the center. Okay. Arslan, put those books also in the center. Good. Now you have to find out all the art books and put them here. Art books. Done?
Yes.
Okay. Is there any GK book?
Yes.
Put GK book in that side. Arslan, that side. GK book. GK books, all of you. Yes. Put GK books over there where Arslan has put. Is there any other GK book? What is this? No? No. It is not. GK book. Again put all the other books in the center.
Yes.
Now keep GK book over there, art book here. Now this is an extra book, put it there again. Now out of these 4 books you have to find out science books. Where is science book? Yes, science book. Put it there. Arslan, put it near you. No, this is not science book, this is social science. Put social science. Amaira, put social science that side. Good. Now what is left behind? Which book is this? EVS and computer. Okay, put EVS book with science book. EVS book with science book. Where is science book? Keep EVS book with science book on the science book. Yes. And what is this?
Computer.
Computer, keep computer with GK. So children, can you see, if you want to find out any book, now will it not be easy for you? If I say find out an English book, then where will you go? If I say find out an English book, where will you go? You will go to Arslan, right? If I say you have to find out Hindi book, then where will you go? To Amaira. And for maths book, we will have to go to Inaya. And for art book, where will have to go? Art book. Here, to me. And for science and EVS, to Arslan once again. And for GK, where will you go? GK computer? There. And where is the social science book? Now, we have classified the books subject wise and it has become easy for us to find out the books, isn't it? Yes?
Yes.
Okay. So this was an activity of classification. Thank you. Say thank you.
Welcome.
Okay.